Hi everyone, I'm Siok from One Stop Solution, and in this video, I will show you how to download TikTok on iPhone. Having TikTok allows you to explore a world of creativity and entertainment right at your fingertips. So let's get started. First, open the App Store. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. In the search bar at the top, type TikTok and hit the search button. In the search results, you should see TikTok app listed usually at the top. Tap on it to open its details page. On the app details page, you will see a button that says Get or shows a cloud icon with an arrow. Tap on it. And this is how you can download TikTok on iPhone. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.